We had a really big snowfall last night in the GTA area. Our number one phone call today will be from people describing a vibration that they're getting from their wheels or their steering wheel that they didn't have the night before. We see that there's a lot of snow built up in the rear, but it's melted in the front. And if we look there, we see that piece right there. This rim is a lot hotter. So when I first left this morning, my fronts were just as bad as my rears. Obviously the rim is hot and a lot hotter in the front because the front brakes generate a lot more heat. And the snow has been melting here. That refreezes once it gets cold out again. Once it refreezes, it's gonna cause a nasty vibration in your car when you're going down the highway. I want you to take your snow brush and I want you to get in there. Obviously don't stick your hand in there because that's not smart. Get in there and knock it out.